Let me be honest 1 minute about King Dr. Saheed Osupa. He represents discipline in a space that often thrives on emotions. In an industry where trends comes and go, structure and discipline remains. Saheed Osupa doesn't just perform. He creates music that teaches, challenges, and entertains all at once. Listen closely. When you realize his songs carries lessons about life, values, and thinking deeply. Even as you dance and enjoy the beats, your mind still stretched, your perspective still broadened. And that is the power of Saheed Osupa's craft. And in Nigeria, Saheed Osupa is also known for being vocal. He used to speak boldly, confront criticism, and share his mind freely. But these days, if you notice very well, you know that Saheed Osupa has grown more measured. He doesn't feel the need to respond to controversies and comments. And that shows more maturity. Knowing when to speak and when to let go. And actions do the talking. Saheed Osupa is an icon in the industry. Well respected, well groomed, well disciplined. And his fans are loyal because he carries himself with dignity. And every interaction with Saheed Osupa, even one-on-one, leaves you learning something new. Saheed Osupa doesn't just talk. He speaks sense. He's a thinker, a teacher, and a performer, all in one. His music alone is legacy. I've used his songs to inspire or change minds. Every track is intentional. Every lyric acts meaning. And every performance leaves an impact. And let's not forget his style. The way he dressed today is remarkable. Commanding attention without even trying so hard. Discipline, wisdom, music, influence, and style. That's how I see Saheed Osupa. Do you agree with this view? Or do you see him differently? This is Lainka's view.